very bad guys, very bad guys, very bad. Here the environment. Hey, he's a very nutty boy. Everyone, how are you today? I hope you will be fine. And I truly believe that English is not just language; it is door to new opportunity for the English communication skill. If you want to better speak English, you need to just practice, and you need to practice, and you practice English speaking. Then you will speak English. Your muscle memory will be developed, and your speaking practice is also developed. So you need to speak and read and listen to podcasts and shadowing practice. Shadowing practice is the most powerful technique. You can imagine anybody, you can imagine just child. He is a child, he has know anything about the speaking English and other language, but he have only listening practice. After 5 years, he will be listen to careful who is mother, who is father, mama, papa, everything. Then he will listening practice will be developed. He will be speaking. Climate is very good and environment is also good. Hey, what are you doing? You will be. Hey, you come here. He is very naughty boy. He is very naughty boy. He is my nephew, but he is very naughty boy. You can say hi. Hey, you say. Very cooling. The wind is blowing very fast, and today is not sunny day. No sunny. Only wind is blowing very fast. He is alone the roof, and here is nobody, and here he just finished this roof. If anybody not here, he will be fell down. The height is 11 feet, and he will be injury. If you want to speak English every day, you need to practice just listening practice speaking. Today's climate is very good. You can see here today is not sunny day, but wind is blowing very fast. Wind is blowing very fast. So me and my nephew are also come here. You can see, and one nephew is here. And this is, I will show you. This is the wheat plants. This is wheat plants. And this is the garden of mango. You can look. He is very naughty boy. What are you doing? He is very naughty boy. This is my big brother's house making. Work is starting before 10 days, but his roof is not complete here. The wind is blowing very fast, so my voice is not clear catch in the video. Mason is very slow working here. You can see this mason is very slow work here. You can see slowly work, but not a problem. And this vehicle is the structure for the ready for the roof. Structure is ready for the roof. Many people work here, and he is my big brother. This third person is not my brother. My brother is this is my brother. And you can see here the environment is very good. Climate is also good because today is not sunny day. And this is the cow duck here. This is this person. This is the green environment. Everything is green.